what you doing?
Making waffles.
That's exciting.
I know.
What do you want to do?
Continue to make waffles.
Why don't we go to the movies?
Yes!
Okay, let's go.
I can't.
Why not?
Because I don't know how to get there.
You walk there.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's go.
Walking can help you do many, many things.
Really?
Yes, like walk to the fridge.
Walk into the fridge?
Yes.
Whoa!
Whoa.
I want some milk to go on my waffles.
Okay. Look, now you can walk to get some milk.
The milk!
Walking can help you to get the milk.
The milk!
I'm done. You can even walk your dog.
Wanna go for a walk?
You wanna go for a walk in the dog? Okay, and you turn off the camera.